like the horizon almost. Once in a while you see an electric bolt shoot across. But I don't know if we'll be able to see it from here. You can see it from Bill's house because there's no trees. It's like lightning after lightning. Look at that. Wow.
Just picking it up.
That was a good one. Cool. It was cool before.
I don't know if you can see it.
Nah. Well, if we were standing over there, maybe.
I mean, like in my camera.
Oh, I don't know.
Why is it? I don't see any. It's not really picking up the flashes.
It's amazing, though, isn't it? It's like it's further south.
Yeah.
We're missing all the bolts because the trees are in the way. Drag. So this huge bolt over there went all the way across the sky, and then it was beautiful. It was like really beautiful, amazing looking. We should do it again.